Frenemies, frenemies, frenemies. You don't start from being a stranger, from strangers to friend, from friends to lovers, and back to being a stranger. Is that not strange? I'll be right back. Frenemy is an oxymoron of a friend and enemy that refers to a person with whom one is friendly. A person who combines the characteristics of a friend and enemy. Frenemies often develop when there is a sense of betrayal on one side or the other. For instance, a close friend go after a man or a woman that you are interested in, or a house you are thinking of buying. You will feel betrayed, hurt, angry. You won't think you will be able to trust the friend anymore. How do all those things happen? Because you can be a friend with somebody anytime, anywhere, any moment. But to say a friend, a good friend though, I mean a good friend these days is rare. How do we even go from close to hand? Is friend supposed to have handing? The pictures that you guys took together, the memories you guys shared together, your kids or your children will now be asking, Mommy, Daddy, who is this? And I'll be like, Oloshi. Memory will always bring back memories in which your so-called best friend can become your worst enemy at any time. Just small thing like this. Kasalati burst. Why? This one will be like Shebi, and this one will be like friends. It requires a lot of things. I will not be able to mention them all. You need to let go, forgive easily, don't keep grudges for a very long time. Love wholeheartedly. Make sure you can endure for one another. Good friends are like stars. You don't always see them, but you know within you that they are always there for you. A true friend accepts who you are. Like me now, this is me. You need to accept me for who I am. And a true friend also help you to become what you should be in life. They will support you. They will guide you. They will protect you. They will be there for you. Even when your family member, your blood, deprived you of who you are, a true friend will be the one to guide you, to lift you up. A good friend though, a good one. If it works, fine, you can roll with it. But if it does not work, you know what? Just Tobi Amusan, just run for your dear life. Friends will not do or die. You get? If you ever have a friend going to 5, 10, 15, 20, 50 years, despite everything that has happened, you guys will definitely fight. I know you guys will abuse each other, you guys will curse each other, you guys will even block each other, but you guys are still together. Well done, sir. I salute you now. And if you ever have a friend that has gone to a journey of no return, can you please take a moment in the comment section and pray for their soul to rest in perfect peace? Amen. And also, you have a friend that you want to appreciate. You want to tell him or her how grateful you are. You can actually tag him or her in the comment section also to appreciate them. Let them feel how much you love them and how much you appreciate them. Tell them you love them for being a good friend. Friends can also be end, because the last 3 words that end friend is end. Just be careful. Know your friend. Tell each other how much you love each other wholeheartedly. Yes. So this is the end on today's episode. Like me now, all my fans are also my friends. Everybody is my friends. So tag your friends. Let's just Keep tagging people. Let them know that you love them, you love them, you love them. See you guys next time on this beautiful show. Let's talk with Adeshewa. My name still remains the same. My name is Adeshewa Komoba. So to all my friends, I love you and I cherish you all. Director, I love you. Kamerana, everybody, Sandman, everybody in the studio, I love you all. And I love myself too. Adeshewa. Bye-bye.